What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video, and we will show you how to increase or decrease a image duration. So what we want to do is go to menu and then go to settings. After that, you will arrive at the screen, your settings screen, and click on edit. Now you can see image duration is set on 5 seconds. You can change however you want this. You can change it to frames, you can change it to seconds. I will let it on seconds. So we will keep it at there. And then if you want to edit the duration, you simply can use the arrows up and down to increase or decrease your image duration. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to save it before you exit this window. Otherwise it won't be saved. And after that, you can use your images with a default duration. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in the next video. Bye bye.